It is 5 rounds of white collar boxing here in the BS.
होने वाली है चैट, होने वाली है, होने वाली है, होने वाली है चैट.
Please welcome first into the ring, the boxer, Feroz.
Let's go. Finally is the time. Finally is the time, chat. Feroz Khan in the house. W.
Feroz Khan,
Let's go.
amateur fight qualified at the age of 24. This man decided to step into the boxing ring, representing Pakistan, fighting in at 72 kgs. He's never sparred before.
चैट मैं दोबारा बता रहा हूँ, तुम सबके साथ स्पैम करो फिरोज खान या रहीम परदेसी. मैं तो फिरोज खान के साथ हूँ चैट, एंड आई नो फिरोज खान जीतेगा. मैं अभी प्रिडिक्ट कर रहा हूँ, मैच स्टार्ट भी नहीं हुआ, मैं प्रिडिक्ट कर रहा हूँ फिरोज खान जीत जाएगा, क्योंकि उसका पूरा का पूरा माइंडसेट ओरा वाला है और रहीम परदेसी का माइंडसेट नसरीन वाला है. तो तुम लोग एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते कि फिरोज खान हार नहीं सकता, उसका सारा ओरा गिर जाएगा. मैं हूँ फिरोज खान के साथ, तुम लोग किसके साथ हो? लेट्स हैव सम नॉइज फॉर योर लेट्स गो. अगर फिरोज खान हार गया चैट, अगर फिरोज खान हार गया, वल्लाह सारा ओरा माइनस हो जाना है इसका.
Rahim Pardeesi, ladies and gentlemen, Feroz
And
Khan.
his opponent, please welcome
Let's go.
Rahim Pardeesi.
Let's go.
This fight finished.
Ladies and
W.
gentlemen, introducing now the visionary of this entire event, the man, the myth, the legend, Rahim Pardeesi. First debut fight in white collar collar fighting. He last fought back in 2024. He is author. He's a 37-year-old representing Brave Gym Lahore, representing
Okay, all right. मैं भी मैच पे लॉक इन हूँ चैट. Let's enjoy the match.
in his last bout, last fought in August. He wants to
इतना प्रोटोकॉल क्यों दे रहे हैं? रहीम परदेसी ही है ना. हेलो, माइक टाइसन तो नहीं है.
use encourage influencers to challenge themselves.
अबे छुप के क्यों आ रहा है? अभी से हार के क्या मुंह दिखाने नहीं जा रहा क्या इसको?
I'm coming to take part. I've been
Let's
in
go.
there for the past 5 months, and he's coming in to shut Feroz up, ladies and gentlemen, making his walk into the boxing ring. Rahim
Pardeesi.
Pardeesi.
मतलब तुम्हें से ज्यादातर वैसे भी लोग फिरोज खान के साथ हैं, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है.
It is now time for your featured attraction, for your main event of the evening.
Kalanchum.
Your referee in charge of the ring.
sorry.
Make some noise if you are ready.
Let's go. मैं लाहौर से नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मैं वॉइस कर लूँ चाहे मैं शोर डालूँ. मैं लाहौर से नहीं हूँ लेकिन.
The final showdown! 5 rounds for the BS Fight Series Championship
ओए W
of the world!
W.
Introducing first, boxing out of the blue corner. He stands
Check
5
W's,
feet
yaar.
8 inches tall. Official weight
मतलब भाई.
72 kilograms even. He fights out of Sahiwal by way of Glasgow, Scotland.
स्कॉटलैंड? कौन?
He is the legend, the pioneer, the one, the only Rahim
परदेसी.
Pardeesi.
हारने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ. हारने के लिए तैयार हो जाओ. Let's go.
And his
हारने के लिए
opponent,
तैयार.
boxing out of the red corner. He stands 5 feet 11 inches tall. Official weight 73.8 kilograms even. He fights out of Quetta. He is the boxer.
बॉक्सर?
Feroz Khan.
Oh! I'm with Feroz Khan chat. I'm with Feroz Khan chat. Let's go to in the chat. Who win? Feroz Khan. Feroz Khan is winning by. Let's go.
Feroz Khan in the red, Rahim Pardeesi in the blue. This is the moment all
Alright,
of you
मजाक के अलावा
have
lock
been
in.
waiting
Lock in
for.
chat. Lock in.
BS Fight Series brings you the biggest
Lock in.
influencer white collar boxing showdown in history, ladies and gentlemen.
रहीम परदेसी ने जीतना नहीं चाहिए गाइस. रहीम परदेसी नहीं जीतना चाहिए. मतलब ये नहीं कह रहा मैं उसका फैन नहीं हूँ, लेकिन उसकी वीडियोस देखता था बहुत पहले, लेकिन ये कि फिरोज खान को जीतना चाहिए।
The two megastars.
आई एम विद फिरोज खान। आई होप मेरे 2,500 रुपए जो वर्थ इट होगा।
Viewing fans, this is gonna be absolutely insane.
लेट्स गो।
This is as real as it gets, ladies
यस
and
सर,
gentlemen.
होना भी चाहिए अगर स्क्रिप्टेड हुआ चैट। अगर मैं बताता हूँ, अगर परदेसी जीत गया तो स्क्रिप्टेड होगा, अगर फिरोज जीत गया तो स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं होगा चैट।
What you see is what you get, and what you get is a fight for the ages. Everyone is on the edge of their seat.
चैट ऐसा क्यों लग रहा है कि नशे में हैं लोग? इनकी शक्ल से ऐसे लग रहा है, ऐसे मतलब थोड़े वीक हैं, ऐसा लग रहा है या मुझे फील हो रहा है?
For combat sports in Pakistan and around the world, I have never felt palpable tension like this. It is Rahim Pardesi. It is Feroz Khan.
ओके,
And we are underway.
लेट्स गो, लेट्स गो,
Feroz, he's just standing there idle. Touch of gloves.
लेट्स गो।
That's not the right way to go about it for Feroz. He needs to move about.
क्या कर रहा है?
A lot of showboating initially, Daniel.
Feroz Khan, you can't lose.
That could be
You can't
from
lose.
confidence, or he may be in here with a
Oh,
nice jab from Feroz.
Oh,
He raised his right leg when
Oh.
he jabbed, though, which is strange. But let's see if he's just
Oh,
two
oh,
jabs
oh.
for Pardesi land perfectly.
Double jab there by Rahim Pardesi.
look in chat.
Pardesi landed 2 clean jabs. Feroz is very idle. Minimum footwork
Damn.
right now by Feroz Khan.
Feroz Khan on the
Oh.
back foot right now, trying to make some reads, trying to find a counter, it seems. Nice weaving there by Rahim Pardesi.
Yeah, nice slip. Rahim's throwing those jabs. He's showing those feints as well.
Feroz has his chin high, his hands are down. This is,
Oh.
this is very dangerous on Feroz's end.
फिरोज का हाथ नीचे क्यों है?
But Rahim Pardesi returns fire.
Yeah, Feroz is standing. Like, I get it. I think he's a bit confident, but he needs to keep moving. He needs to keep his feet moving. He needs to keep throwing, stay active. But
Exactly.
right now, he's waiting for Rahim.
Oh,
Some show.
oh,
by Feroz
बच गया,
Khan.
बच गया।
Maybe what Feroz needs to do right now is he's just waiting for Rahim to enter. That's what he wants. But no,
Ladies and gentlemen, for all of those of you who are saying that this could be scripted, look closely. They're actually punching each other. This is not a joke.
Shut up, host.
ladies and gentlemen, Feroz is zoned in right now. His right hand is down.
चैट वो थकार है, परदेसी को थकार है भगा भगा के, वो अपनी एनर्जी जाया नहीं करना चाह रहा।
His movement is on point. He's throwing the jabs to the body. Feroz needs to keep his hands up right now, Daniel.
This is 5 rounds, though, so they're pacing
5
themselves
rounds
properly.
भाई।
2 minutes have gone by.
चैट ओके, यहाँ पे राउंड एंड होने वाला है। चैट वो सही कर। ओह,
Two rifles punch
W's,
around and
W's,
right at the
W's। आखिरी शॉट बहुत मजे के मारे चैट। फिरोज खान बिल्कुल ठीक करे, अपनी एनर्जी बचा रहा है, क्योंकि 5 राउंड्स है चैट, 5 राउंड्स। वो बिल्कुल ठीक करे, अपने हाथ नीचे रख
Two
के।
megastars box, and it is very
Oh.
as to what they've been prepared like coming into this fight.
Exactly, Daniel.
Oh.
And it is so amazing to see how these two individuals have, captured the eyes of thousands and thousands of viewers.
मजा आ गया।
Literally, everyone is standing on their feet right now. Either someone screaming Feroz Khan, either the other person screaming for Rahim Pardesi.
It is palpable. You can cut it with a knife. The tension, the atmosphere, the crowd. Everything is like I've never felt before. This is the biggest fight in the history of Pakistan. And
yeah.
it feels like it in the arena too.
There's no head move. There's no head movement by Feroz at all. Rahim.
डैम। ओह, गरम हो गए, गरम हो गए, गरम हो गए चैट, गरम हो गए, गरम हो गए।
Returning fire now is Feroz Khan. The showboating starts.
W's।
There's a lot of trash talk going on. There's a lot of
But wait,
showboating. They're exchanging heavy bombs now, Daniel.
Yeah. and-
ओह, what the fuck, बच गया भाई, बच
There
गया।
you go. They're trying to take each other's heads off.
You can see that Feroz Khan is throwing those hooks with vicious intention.
फिरोज खान, you can do it. ओह,
Feroz is waiting
Ah!
like a sniper.
Yeah.
W's
He's
भाई।
waiting for Rahim to come in, and just like that, they connect once again.
Feroz has
Hey.
fast hands, as
Hey.
we've seen, and he's launching that power as well. Rahim, on the other hand, he's light on the feet, in and out, trying to jab the body. Oh!
ओह, no, फिरोज no, फिरोज no।
On him, on the nose, right on the nose.
Yeah, the
वो
nose
खून
of
निकल रहा है
Feroz
उसका।
Khan is getting a little red there. Rahim Pardesi's been connecting quite often.
फिरोज का खून निकला है चैट, what the fuck भाई।
Wow, Rahim literally cracked Feroz. Feroz's nose is turning red. Either it's broken or it's about to get broken. Feroz's hands are extremely low. He needs to put them back.
ओह,
Yeah, he's not putting his hands up. He's choosing to move in whatever way he wants without his hands up. could be dangerous. Rahim's jab seems to be sharp.
Rahim's really getting a lot of success with that jab there. Feroz has his hands low. It seems like he's trying to bait Rahim into something, but he's not throwing a counter.
Oh,
Feroz with a wild swing. Rahim still shucking and jiving in there. Still moving well.
Daniel, I feel this bout is as anticipated,
Damn.
as advertised as it can
As?
get. Both these guys are swinging. They make, oh wow.
Oh.
Nice right hand by Rahim.
Rahim's
Another
on.
one.
Oh my goodness!
And a
Fuck,
jab.
no.
He's turning red. He's
No.
starting to bleed.
Wow.
Che, what the fuck भाई, उसको नाक पे लग गया यार. इसको चाहिए अपना हाथ ऊपर रखे, like you should be like this भाई. जब तुम बॉक्सिंग करते हो, you should be like this. And तुम लोग ऐसे रहना chat. What the fuck, बड़ी गदी नाके पड़ी है उसको यार.
Khan is getting pieced up right now.
ये कौन सी बॉक्सिंग है भाई, नीचे हाथ रख के भाई.
Stages at the end of the round there. I mean, everyone is on their feet. You can feel the electricity in the air.
बहुत गंदी पड़ी है इसको नाक पे भाई.
My goodness, what a fight it is turning out to be.
And on the other
खून
hand,
खून आ रहा है chat. Fuck, खून आ रहा है.
both these guys, they don't seem to be out of breath. Round number 3, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh,
I hope
फिरोज को गुस्सा आ गया.
as involved
फिरोज को
as
गुस्सा आ गया chat.
This is not
Let's
a
go.
movie,
Third round.
but very Rocky-esque. Both guys want blood. Round number 3 out of 5
भाई 25 पुशअप तैयार रख लो.
is insane. Feroz with a jab. Rahim has a high guard.
Feroz has his hands up now.
Yes. Now Feroz knows that Rahim is dangerous.
Oh!
Oh my God, for Rahim Pardesi.
Fuck no way भाई.
Rahim is
Yeah!
He's not
No!
Rahim Pardesi
Oh,
laying it
Feroz's
out
nose is broken.
on Feroz Khan. Feroz Khan has no option but to shell up.
Fuck!
Feroz's nose is broken badly, he's bleeding. Rahim is unloading, but Feroz is being intelligent. Maybe he's trying to gas Rahim out right now.
My God, another
fuck?
jab straight to the nose.
खून निकला है
Feroz
उसका
is
यार.
in a whole world of trouble. Punjabi power.
पंजाबी पावर.
Wali power. This is Rahim Pardesi.
Feroz's legs are starting to give out now. He's getting on wobbly legs.
The legs are getting wobbly. The nose is starting to swell. The body language is becoming more and more. It's just you can see that he can sense the danger that Rahim Pardesi is posing right now.
My
उसके माथे से
goodness.
खून निकला है यार.
Two men throwing hands, ladies and gentlemen. Two men throwing hands.
What an action-packed fight, ladies and gentlemen. We got blood.
Oh!
Alien knockdown is there. There's showboating. There's heavy shots being landed. Good block by Feroz.
Rahim is slipping. He is moving. He is hitting him on the body.
Oh,
He's
fuck.
hitting him on the chin. So much pride, so much ego on the line. Both these guys, neither of them want to go down.
Beautiful, beautiful work there by Rahim Pardesi. Ducking and weaving very well, sipping the punches. Getting in with those body punch
Good
shots.
jab by Feroz. Oh, another
Oh.
right hand by Feroz. Feroz is trying to load right now. Rahim is just smiling and enjoying.
Oh! Oh!
Those hands are low, Daniel. Those hands are really low. Rahim Pardesi is going to start advancing towards Feroz at this point.
W's भाई.
Feroz Khan is bloodied, battered, beat, bruised, but still in this fight.
Whoa.
Another jab for Rahim. Look at Rahim Pardesi. He is ready for war.
Chat, damn भाई, please come on फिरोज खान, come on भाई. I know उसको नाक पे लग गया, खून निकल रहा है. Like please, तुम्हारा सारा ओरा गिर जाना है यार, please. You build so much aura भाई.
This is outstanding. Literally, people
Ah.
are getting their money's worth right now. They hyped it up the way they wanted to, and they are delivering. We are satisfied customers, Daniel.
Man,
Satisfied.
I've never seen anything like this.
अगर राहिम परदेसी हार जाए भी satisfied भाई, वरना मेरे पैसे वापस करो. मेरे पैसे वापस करो, 2000 रुपए मेरे.
Asian talents in their craft, now slugging it out.
चाहे फिरोज खान वर्जिन था ना करो भाई. तुम्हें कैसे पता चला फिरोज खान lose his virginity? उसका खून निकला इसलिए चैट.
His kid is here. This is insane for someone of his stature and his caliber to take this risk. My God!
चैट सब के सब like and subscribe. चैट से like नहीं किया, make sure like the stream and subscribe to the channel.
It's going to be fake. They're going to act it out. They're going to look at this.
मैं खुद पंजाबी हूँ, ठीक है, पंजाबी पावर, लेकिन मैं फिरोज खान के साथ था यार, क्योंकि परदेसी ने काफी ज्यादा हाइप बनाई हुई थी इंस्टा पे. तो आई वाज लाइक यार नहीं, उसको थोड़ा सा हारना चाहिए यार.
Punching his ticket to superstardom once again, as if he already isn't a superstar. But this will elevate him to a whole other level. 2 more rounds left though. Feroz Khan still very dangerous.
That jab of Rahim Pardesi, man, he keeps landing it on the button.
Oh wow, what a good counter by Rahim.
Okay.
Rahim's on right now, but good head movement now by Firoz. Firoz again, keep your hands up,
Yeah.
man. There's no other way about it. Otherwise, Rahim's gonna bust you open, which he's doing right now.
Oh,
Feroz trying to give Rahim everything he has from the back foot. Rahim doing a very nice job of pulling away from those punches.
YouTube win. बे एक मुक्का मार दे मुंह पे यार.
What
No
Firoz
good कर
needs to do
दे.
right now is counter Rahim's
Sorry, guys,
jab to
for
the
that.
body with a hook. He's throwing the right hand again and again.
Rahim is just so good at picking his shots. Shot selection is so important. Rahim
परदेसी अच्छा खेल रहे हैं. Not gonna lie भाई.
off a nice shot over the head. Like I said, Feroz is static. He's standing in one place. It's so easy
Feroz.
to hit him.
Firoz needs to move. He needs to move his head. Where's the footwork?
Wow,
There's
पीछे
nothing
पड़ी.
going on here.
फिर से पड़ी.
Beautiful jab there by Rahim Pardesi again and again and again. He keeps landing it. And Feroz Khan's guard is just lowered again.
Rahim says, let's meet in the center. Feroz says, let's meet in my corner. Either way, they are meeting. One way or the other, just slugging it out.
They're trading in the pocket, guys.
5 राउंड से गाइस 5 राउंड. 1 राउंड रह गया.
Woo! Right
फिर से
hand
पड़ी.
connects for Rahim.
Feroz Khan is just busted up right now.
Ah.
Firoz is eating these punches.
Oh.
What a strong hand.
Oh.
Hook.
Right
Again.
hook. Oh, left hook for Feroz. Signs of life for Feroz Khan.
Yo!
Slugging it
No
out.
way.
Wow.
अबे ये क्या हुआ?
As advertised, Danya. As advertised. We couldn't have imagined a better influencer bout than this one right here, man.
Crazy. I feel like I'm in the Twilight
Outstanding.
Zone right now.
I swear to God, I
Exactly.
can't believe these guys are boxing so well. Even though Firoz is idle, he's eating these shots, but this kid has a chin on him.
Man, this is crazy. I knew this
रहीम
was a
जीत
real
रहा है
fight.
यार.
I was
Ah. बहुत जोर की पड़ी है चेहरे. बहुत जोर की छोड़ती. इसके माथे पे निशान पड़ गए यार. माथे पे निशान, नाक से खून. आई थिंक सो परदेसी बहुत अच्छा खेल रहा है चैट. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, परदेसी की शॉट्स बहुत अच्छी हैं, टेक्निकल एंड सब कुछ. एटलीस्ट दे आर बेटर देन ऑल द प्रोफेशनल बॉक्सर्स जो भी खेल के गए हैं यहाँ पे, एंड टिकटॉकर्स एटलीस्ट.
There's a storm brewing here, and right now.
पार्टी चेंज कर लो पीजीए सर. मैं तो रहीम परदेसी के साथ था स्टार्ट से ही भाई. मैं तो रहीम परदेसी के साथ था स्टार्ट से ही भाई.
This is getting crazy.
यूट्यूब गैंग भाई, हमारे तो यूट्यूब गैंग है भाई.
And what kind of adjustment Firoz makes in this last round?
चाहे मैं तो शुरू से रहीम परदेसी के साथ हूँ चैट, क्योंकि यूट्यूब गैंग भाई. ऑब्वियसली यूट्यूब गैंग यार. ऑब्वियसली यूट्यूब गैंग. तुम लोग क्या एक्सपेक्ट किया यार? मैं एक मूवी स्टार का साथ दूंगा भाई? हेल नो भाई. आई एम अ फकिंग यूट्यूब स्टार. मैं यूट्यूब का साथ दूंगा भाई.
In the center
लेट्स
of
गो.
the ring.
डब्ल्यू परदेसी द चैट
So
गाइस.
much respect.
बिग हैंड फॉर परदेसी.
Feroz Khan, and so much respect to Rahim Pardesi for putting on a show for everyone.
Oh, Rahim has been there all night. He's
Wow.
still there. Oh, Feroz is swinging.
Man, these guys are on another level, giving each other tough competition.
लेट्स गो.
Jab by Rahim. Left hook.
Oh!
Rahim eats it. Rahim felt it, but he ate it.
अबे रहीम परदेसी नीचे क्यों जा रहा है? नीचे क्यों जा रहा है?
He's still light on his feet. The punches have gotten a little labored here now.
ओह, अबे रोक क्यों रहा है ये पंची?
Base levels, attack the body and come back up.
Nice hook to the body for Rahim. Feroz is still just standing. He needs to move.
चैट रहीम या फिरोज स्पैम करो चैट सबके साथ. स्पैम नो पोल. स्पैम करो सबके
With
साथ.
the jab,
स्पैम.
Firoz is trying to work the jab, but every time Rahim lands the jab, Firoz's head snaps back.
Oh, nice jab to the body by Rahim Pardesi once again. Feroz with a jab of his own. They're trading jabs, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow, man,
Another jab for Feroz.
What a-
Rahim's still in it.
what a
Oh,
fight,
what?
Daniel. These guys are continuously landing these shots. So much output by these both men. Firoz's face is bloodied up.
लेट्स गो चैट रहीम इन द चैट गाइस सबके
Elbows
सब.
right now, man. Jab for jab, right for right. These guys are going for it.
Oh, left and right for Feroz.
Oh! Let's go. W fight by W punch.
For Pardesi. He's still going. Feroz in his corner. He needs to move.
मूव करे ना.
Feroz needs to move out of this position right now. Otherwise, he's going to keep on getting tagged.
Another
Like he
jab.
is.
Oh man, that nose is
The
busted.
jabs
The
over.
last 10 seconds. They're going to swing for you.
Oh.
Rahim.
10 seconds.
Another
Ah! Let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, They go the distance.
Let's go! Rahim Pardesi in the chat, guys. W's Rahim Pardesi, भाई.
10 minutes of boxing history. Feroz Khan.
चैट में तो लोग बोला था रहीम परदेसी जीत जाएगा, guys. Let's go!
What a fight! What a night! Wow!
Oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, what a show, what a performance by both of these gentlemen here. They did not have to do this. I mean, look at who they are. They don't have to be in the ring here for stepping
चैट पुशअप्स की बात हुई थी ना, मैं तो रहीम परदेसी के साथ था यार. Come on भाई, stop
here
it
in
भाई.
Pakistan. That's what it's all about. That was the mission. And I really hope that this will have some success going further into the future.
चैट अभी हारा नहीं है ना. Come on, अभी हारा नहीं है यार. क्या मतलब पुशअप्स मारो यार, अभी हारा नहीं है. सब्र करो. और आप लोड़ा हो गया. सही बात है यार चैट. Come on, मैं तो शुरू से परदेसी के साथ था चैट. परदेसी तो मेरा लंगोटिया यार है, तो तुम लोगों को नहीं पता.
Since this will be going to the
रहीम परदेसी और मैं हम एक साथ स्कूल में पढ़ते रहे गाइस. पुशअप्स लगा पीजिए. चैट हमारी 25 पुशअप्स की बात हुई थी यार. 25 पुशअप्स की. चैट मुझे लगता है परदेसी जीत जाएगा. मैं परदेसी के साथ था. मैंने कहा था अगर रहीम हार गया, यू गाइस कैन डू एनीथिंग भाई. लेकिन परदेसी जीत गया भाई. परदेसी जीत गया. लेट्स गो. नहीं 100 लगाओ. अबे 100 कैसे लगाऊं? 100 तो लगते ही नहीं मेरे से. मैं तो 10 लगा लूं, बड़ी बात है यार. ये तो ऐसा खेल रहा है नशे में हो. चैट मैं वही कह रहा हूं ना, मैंने स्टार्ट से बोला ऐसा लगता है नशे में है लोग. लाइक दे आर लाइक डम, मतलब सोए हुए हैं. और उसका बेटा रो रहा है. आवाज क्यों नहीं आ रही? ये इसका बेटा रो रहा है. ऑब्वियसली अपने बाप को मार पड़ते कौन देख सकता है यार. वो रिस्पेक्ट फैमिली. लेकिन जो भी बात है, फिरोज आया यही बहुत है ना गाइस. मजाक के अलावा लाइक सभी कहते हैं फाइट से बच्चों को लेकर जाना नहीं
The
चाहिए.
belt to the winner. And now, after 5 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards for a decision. Judge 1 scores it 48-47 Feroz Khan. Judge 2 scores it 48-47 Rahim Pardesi.
दोनों को सेम स्कोर किया.
Judge 3 scores it 50-45 for your winner by split decision. Rahim
No! Fuck it भाई. Fuck it. Fuck it. मैं नहीं खेला चैट. मैं नहीं खेला.
You left it all into the ring. You said you were gonna dominate, and you dominated. How does this win feel?
मैंने कहा था ना, परदेसी को हल्का नहीं लेना, नसरीन को हल्का नहीं लेना.
जीजीस गाइस, जो बात भी है जीजीस भाई. डब्ल्यू परदेसी इन द चैट गाइस. सबके सब वी शुड अप्रिशिएट विनर भाई. मुझे लगता है फाइट जो थी बिल्कुल स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं थी चैट. आई अप्रूव दिस फाइट एज नॉट स्क्रिप्टेड. अगर स्क्रिप्टेड होती तो उसका नाक से खून निकलता, इतना गंदी मारना पड़ती. फाइट इज ऑल फेयर भाई. डब्ल्यू इन द चैट भाई. डब्ल्यू परदेसी इन द चैट गाइस. सबके सब.
पिछले 6 घंटे से मैं ऊपर लेटा हुआ था, जस्ट दवाइयां खाई जा रहा हूँ, जस्ट होपिंग आई कैन रिकवर.
ओए
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह
हाँ, ये बीमार भी था.
पे जाके रिकवरी आई.
Okay.
लेकिन ऑनेस्टली फिरोज खान ही इज मच बेटर देन आई एक्सपेक्टेड. लेकिन आई डोंट नो कि शायद पानी नहीं गर्म आ रहा था.
ओ ब्रो व्हाट.
लेकिन on a serious note, much respect to him. Honestly, it takes so much guts to come in the ring. Him as an actor, I think उसको credit बहुत ज्यादा देना चाहिए. You know, हवाएं फैला रही थी कि ये फेक होगा, ये ऐसे होगा, लेकिन आप सारा रिजल्ट जो है आपके सामने है.
चैट फेक नहीं था. आई प्रूव चैट.
कैचअप तो लगा नहीं हुआ था.
जैसे मैंने प्रॉमिस किया था चैट. 25 पुशअप्स नजर आ रहा.